In this tutorial, we are going to have a look at an application of inspection function for tank analysis. By using Selection tool, you can isolate an interest part of a complete model to analyze. To do an inspection, we need a mesh as reference model and a point cloud to be inspected. From a scan data of a tank, we can use shape tools in Mesh Toolbox to extract a theoretical cylinder mesh. Go in second order shapes, then create edit cylinder. In this new window, there are different options to create a cylinder from our dataset. Click on Quick Selection and draw a region which a cylinder will be fit with available points in the 3D view. The radius and height of the extracted cylinder will be automatically calculated and displayed in parameters. Check Feature Extraction and Clone commands to duplicate the cylinder as a triangular mesh. The mesh will be automatically listed in Project window on the left. Go in Measure Toolbox and select Inspection tool. In the recipe window, drag and drop all the required ingredients from the project window. In Parameters, set maximum search distance and name the inspection. Click on Inspection Type to change and select Inspection Type. Click then on Play button to run Inspection tool. The inspection histogram displays density, number of points and their distance to the extracted cylinder mesh. Click on Colors Mapping to change Colors Mapping preset and edit parameters of colors mapping in order to fit your need. Click on Save Report at the bottom of Recipe window to automatically generate a report in PDF format.